Okay. Hi guys, my name is Natalie, aka SM.GLAMBEAUTY, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you're not new, then welcome back. Thanks for being here. So for today's video, as promised, I'm gonna show you guys how I clip in my curly girl extensions, my long hair don't care, if you will. I mean, they're not called that, I just call them that. I call every extension long hair don't care. I don't know, it's just something that I say. But if you guys are interested on how I go from this to this, then just keep on watching. Okay, so to be specific, I got two bundles. I got the Bebonia curly extension bundle, the 16-inch and the 18-inch. I got two bundles because I know that just one wasn't gonna be enough, so I'd rather have more hair than not enough hair. They come in this little packets. The bundle comes here, and then the little tester goes here, which is also part of the bundle. When I was on the website, I didn't really know what my hair type was. I was in between getting curly or ringlet, but I ended up getting curly, and I feel like this was definitely a good match for me, because you can tell it really blends in with my hair perfectly. So I'm excited that I got the right one. Also, again, don't forget that I am doing a giveaway when I reach 500 subscribers, and the only thing that you have to do is be subscribed to my channel and make sure that your subscription is public, so that way when I do choose a winner, I know that you are subscribed. But yeah, without further ado, let's get on to the video. Okay, so first off, I'm gonna show you guys what are the materials that I used. You don't have to use these, but I just want to show you guys what I use. I have some butterfly clips. I have one in my hair actually, and I have this one. I have a brush, a comb, you know, the baby hair brush. I have this Aunt Jackie's Quench Moisture Intense Leave-In Conditioner. I have this Aunt Jackie's Curl La La Defining Curl Custard. I have gel, and I also have a bottle of water. So I already washed my hair. I actually did a deep conditioner before, so my hair is a little damp. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start off by separating my hair, trying to create a line right here, like maybe the middle of my ear. I'm gonna wet my hair a little bit. I forgot my wide tooth comb upstairs, and I'm too lazy to go upstairs. So if you have a wide tooth comb, it's better if you use that. I'm also going to wet the extensions so it could blend better with my hair when I do put it on, since my hair is, you know, damp or wet. Okay, so I'm going to take a 3-clip extension. I'm going to turn my head over, and I'm going to clip it this way, kind of the opposite way. And yeah, let's see if this works. Okay, so it should look like this, right? And then I'm gonna take another 3 and I'm gonna put it on top like this. Okay, and now that I have the 2 on, I'm gonna wet both of them along with my hair. I'm gonna put some leave-in conditioner. I'm gonna take some curl custard. Okay guys, so I actually went upstairs and got my pick and my Denman brush. Since I put the product in, I'm gonna use my Denman brush, and I'm going to make sure that the product blends with both the extension and my hair. And I'm just going to you know, twist the hair extension and my hair together. I'm going to make a line again. Okay, so now I'm gonna use a 4-clip extension and I'm gonna put it right here. I'm actually gonna put another 4-clip on top of the other one, just so it's fuller. Hey guys, so this is how my hair looks when the extensions are wet, or at least damp. I'm going to diffuse it a little bit so that way, you know, it could dry faster, and then I'll show you guys the end result. So yeah guys, this is my hair. I want to say 75% dry, and I'm living. I am living for these extensions. Like, look guys, look. Ooh, but like guys, what you think? I can't stop like touching it and like doing that stuff. And anyways, that completes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you actually decide to get your own long hair don't care, and if you have any questions, I can answer them down below. But yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to enter the giveaway, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.